Most people get this wrong. They assume Loan Pay Later is just another buy now, pay later service. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it offers fast fee-based wage access without traditional loans combined with tools to help you manage short-term spending. Here's how it works. Loan Pay Later allows you to access a portion of earned wages instantly, typically within a few hours. Unlike payday loans, it charges a flat fee per advance instead of interest. The 2026 version also offers repayment tracking, alerts, and budgeting recommendations to help users avoid overspending. However, repeated use can add up. Most people overlook how quickly small fees accumulate if advances become a regular habit. Missed repayments may also limit access in the future and create unnecessary stress. Tips for smart use. 1. Only access what you genuinely need and can repay quickly. 2. Use alerts and budgeting tools to avoid late payments. 3. Keep a small cash buffer for emergencies so you don't rely on repeated advances. Who should consider Loan Pay Later? Occasional users with steady income who need short-term liquidity. People with irregular income or history of missed payments may find the service ends up costing more than it helps. In conclusion, Loan Pay Later in 2026 can be a helpful tool for bridging small cash gaps if used responsibly. Stay disciplined, plan ahead, and it can be a convenient addition to your financial toolkit. Subscribe for more practical financial reviews and tips.